Johnny.
Hey, leave him alone. You're talking to me. You saw me, right?
You don't want me to talk to you?
Okay, then can I write to them? So let's go, dog.
Johnny.
Let's go. You're harassing us right now. Why are you following us?
This is a public place, right?
You're harassing us. Go do your job. Go do your job.
We're keeping you guys safe.
Are you Mexican?
Does it matter?
Robles?
Does it matter?
4409.
Johnny?
Are you gonna let him do that? M. Salinas?
Why is he tripping?
What is it? 8648?
Yeah.
Are you gonna let him do this to you?
Why are you riding up like this for? Why are you blocking traffic and why are you like harassing him?
Are you guys leaving or not?
You're a grown man.
Are you leaving?
You're a grown man.
Are you a grown man?
So why should I tell you what you're doing even though you're doing it right in front of us?
Am I leaving? This is a public park, right?
You said you were leaving.
This is a public park. Now leave us alone.
So what's your guys' problem? What's the reason for this?
This is a public park, right? You guys saying that, but you guys should be doing your own job.
What's the reason for this?
See, you guys are gang injunction. Just to let you guys know, we know who the hell you guys are. Gang injunction.
Well, why are you guys doing this?
Yeah,
why are you doing this?
Why are you guys harassing us?
Why are you riding up on him all fast and blocking traffic?
Why are you harassing us for
and you like...
I harassing you, bro? You're the one that's standing there talking to me.
You don't want to start surrounding him. And as soon as I recorded you, you stopped talking to him.
You terrified me. That's what.
No, I don't care. Because you know what? And it's good you know my name. Okay? It's good that you know my name. Yeah, you too.
6980.
You know in LA it's already illegal for gang injunction to be around, right? It's only a matter of time it's gonna happen here, bro.
Bye, Johnny.
Just letting you know.
And we're all family
here.
for
sure.
So if you don't like it, get the fuck out of here.
We're keeping you safe.
Get the fuck out of here.
You were keeping them safe by riding up on them first?
I thought you were leaving.
As soon as you saw me with the camera, you just started like dipping. What's up with that?
Alright,
what's up with that?
You got guns, I got butt cutters. Fucking pig.
You all are just fucking yourselves, you know that, right?
It's illegal to carry butt cutters.
You guys are fucking yourselves, you know that, right?
Fuck the gang injunction.
You know that. Like you like harassing people like that, you know you're screwing yourself, bro. You're screwing yourself, bro.